Hi everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz, that's Jack.
And this is take three.
Technical difficulties, so we had to try this one. So today starts our week of mini-sodes where we're going to do a salute to the sammich. In case you didn't know or you haven't seen the videos or they haven't been released yet, a lot of people have been watching this, and this show is supposed to be made for people with little to no talent, little to no money, right? So if you never learn how to cook, you do whatever. And a lot of the stuff we've been doing, we've been told is too complicated, not simple enough. So we're going back to our roots. We're going to do something super simple. We're going to get in and teach you how to do a PB&J. Did I read that right? PB&J?
Yep.
You don't know how to make a PB&J? Well, we made one on how to boil water, so whatever. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so bread. Bread is the main thing. Then you're going to need jelly and peanut butter. So any kind of jelly. I prefer the blackberry stuff, which is really nice. Don't do grape. And then the Lady MacArthur stuff. You look this lady up. Go to the Renaissance festivals. Get this stuff. It is worth going and getting.
She makes good stuff.
Oh, she puts peppers in her stuff. Now you can get peanut butter. Creamy is better because that other stuff crunches and that's disgusting.
I love
you can use
crunchy
the
peanut butter.
hazelnut kind of thing if you're into that kind of fancy stuff. Or you can get the regular stuff that's got like honey roasted stuff in it. It's got like a honey mix to it. Whatever you're into. Now, you can use 2 pieces of bread. Most people use it. You can use 1 as a fold-over. You're really broke, but 2 for normal people. Right. So, that's your main thing. Now, your peanut butter. You always want to do your peanut butter first because it's not as wet. So, you get your flathead screwdriver.
Yeah,
that's where I come from.
That's
a flathead screwdriver. I get you a big wad of this stuff. Now, when I was a kid, you had to use just a little bit and just smear it, and just it was kind of the flavor of peanut butter on your bread. But now that you're grown, you take the peanut butter and make sure it goes all the way to the edge. Don't want to bite into it and just get bits and pieces of bread with no flavor or nothing on it.
Yeah.
Now, you don't want to spread it flat where it won't be all like stuck and gross. Now, clean this. Yeah, by sticking it in your face. If your mom's watching, don't let her see that part because it gets really gross. Then get your jelly. Now, the trick about jelly, if you just leave it in a big clump, it's just going to be, like, bread.
A mouthful.
Now, again, this is one of those things, like, you got to put it to all the corners of the stuff, but you're going to want to put some extra because you don't want just a hint of jelly flavor with your peanut butter. All right, so get it all the way to the edge, and if it's not enough, and there's, like, a still big clump in the middle, you can try to brush it out. Get some more, right? It's just, like, you're a grown-ass person. Make your peanut butter jelly with what you want. Now, you can see the peppers in this one. So, like, an apricot, pineapple, pepper jelly, which is outstanding.
Was it spicy?
Yeah, it was spicy.
Nice.
Let's take it. Bah, that's the tricky part. Pay attention.
My God, that's so hard.
Well, that's the part everybody screws up on. So there you go. That's a simple peanut butter jelly done. Now, I'm going to show you a new trick in case you don't have your flathead screwdriver and all you have is a spoon. Right? It has this whole other trick to it, right? So I'm going to make one with the hazelnut stuff, which is kind of like a Nutella spread, but for poor people.
Here.
Now, you look in there, there's not a lot left because people keep sticking their fingers in it to eat it instead of using a spoon. Now, you get it in there, you get a big old wad of that stuff. And stick it on there. Now, they'll still have some cupped up in the top of the spoon. So what you do is you take your finger and push it in the bottom. I'm sorry, I put that out of camera. And it cleans the inside of that concave spoon. Now, you got to be careful when you're pushing this stuff around. Be forceful, but not mean, or you're going to tear the bread.
You don't want to tear your bread.
Dad. So it's kind of rough on the bread when he was spreading it.
Don't abuse your bread.
And you get it on there, get it from edge to edge. Don't drop it, or it's going to end up with the sticky side down.
It's like pizza. It always falls face on the ground.
Yeah.
It's really annoying.
No, this is that blackberry jelly. Goes with Nutella. Stuff is good. This is super sweet. Hurt my teeth. Just clean the spoon. Okay. Then you get this big whole wad of jelly. This is just straight jelly. There's no meat chunks or nothing. And now you can just leave it like that and be sad.
Be sad?
Yeah. Just like you bite, and there's just bread, and then eventually jelly in the middle. It's like eating a jelly donut and leaving that little piece in the middle until it lasts, right? You just kind of
heretical donuts.
Right, so spread it out, all lumped up. Just try to get as much on there and spread it out as you can. Don't want to be stingy with that. Again, we're broke, but we're not savages. We live in a society. Right? So flip it over. That's the difficult part. There you go. And ta-da, there you have it. I think it costs like 30 cents a person to make these.
Yay.
You make 100 of them with just the supplies like
peanut
bread,
butter,
peanut butter, and jelly. Like you're done.
Yay.
Easy. And there you have it. I'm smiling because I'm trying not to be disappointed in people that don't know how to do this. There you have it. That's our PB&J, or fancier PB&J. If you want to do that, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Share this to people you know that don't know how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, or you think they're stupid, you just want to insult them. This will be the thing to do it. So send them this, because they don't know how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, so be sure to check us out. We're actually still doing our cast iron giveaway, so be sure to share one of our videos with the hashtags in it, Texas Cast Iron Giveaway, and we'll announce that on October 1st. Until then, you can catch us usually Tuesdays, Fridays. We're going to have videos all week this week, so pay attention to that. Our tribute to the sandwich continues. And then if not, you can find us YouTube, Tuesdays, Fridays. It's pretty much up all the time, but we upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. That makes more sense. At Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, you can find us at Instagram at Living Between, or Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen there. You can find us on Pinterest or Patreon if you want to help us out. We very much appreciate it. Shout out to our patrons. And we'll see you next time.